Damn, they don't even want his thing up. Pain. What up, chat? How y'all doing? Doing a little bit better this morning, if I say so myself. Feeling a little bit better mentally. Let's get everything started here. Got 5 minutes to open. Came on here a little late. I did take a trade early this morning for USDCHF. I tried to catch it off of this reverse point in here. Obviously, it slashed through that, and we're continuing up as well on USD CAD. So I'm looking for us to really continue this, to break out into these highs here. So let me move that. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. As well, yesterday I did take another trade. I took one more. I took L, so it brought that like $100 dub to like 77 for the day or something like that. I lost like 120 on the Lucids yesterday, so got some money to make back plus more. Lucid has been very difficult. I will say that. Make money, lose it, make money, lose it, and it's like every single time I lose, I go on like a 2-day losing streak before I even win one trade. So I got to switch something up here, but I'm still very close to losing this account here. Not my GOAT, but my Lucid, so this account. So I got to be a little bit more careful, not even a little bit, I got to be a lot more careful on how I play this, how I move. So let's figure this out here. I might even take a gold trade because I'm looking for gold to sell off here, but obviously it tapped into this range here, this pivot point, but I'm looking at to tap this so we can get fill this a liquid zone here, and then we can continue down. Yeah, really nothing much other than that I'm looking for right now. I haven't really seen like something clear other than us coming down, tapping into this pivot point, and maybe continuing up. But the whole thing, we got the court rulings, not today, but I think tomorrow. The 20th, yeah, I think the court ruling is on the 20th. I don't see it on here though. U.S. court ruling tariffs. Yeah, Friday. Even Trump himself said it's a life or death situation. So if they do rule against this, I'm expecting a huge sell-off because it's going to be a lot of repaying they're going to have to do. And I'm very sure that they don't have the funds to do that without selling Bitcoin, crypto, stocks, and etc. So for me, it really just makes sense. I really want to sell this off right now, but I don't want to be early. Can't really sacrifice another L right now. I will do this though. Because I have very strong conviction that it's going to drop down here. One minute until open. Usually I don't even trade open because it's the manipulation time. But news already came out today. We don't have any news really coming out until 2 o'clock, and that is the FOMC meetings minutes. Excuse me, sorry. Holy, my allergies are starting to get to me because it's starting to the weather is starting to change. Yeah. We might even go lower here. Hold on. Please don't come down here and tap that. This would have been a very nice trade to take on the Lucids, but risk. Holy, I think it's going to continue down here. How much am I going to let it retrace though? That's the real question. Should have took it down here, but hey, it is what it is. The Dow is pretty weak though, but it's not as weak as the gainers for the top percent as well. NASDAQ is pretty weak as well. Okay, the VIX is up 0.7% right now. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and talk about this from yesterday as well. The VIX, as you know, we had a strong push up, but we had a very weak close, so came back into this zone here. We didn't get above this high here. So yeah, we're just gonna play it like we're gonna continue up for right now. I'm expecting us to get a very strong push though on this the court rulings for us the VIX. Okay, so let's go in and see if we can get a retracement up into here on AUD USD and catch the sell off on the way down, at least filling into these lows here, right? I ain't gonna be super aggressive. I'm not gonna be that. We theoretically could come all the way down here and fill into here. So look how Russ came down, wicked, and now we're continuing back up on the small caps. VIX is easing now. We're only okay, it's moving a lot right now. I'm not even going to read out on it. Get a readout on the major stocks right now. So Microsoft is up 0.2%, Apple's down 0.1%, Tesla's up 0.3%. Nvidia's up 1.7%. Google's up 0.6%. Amazon is up 1.2%. Meta is down 1.2%. TSM is up 1.3%. MU is up 0.8%. Palantir is up 2%. And AMD is down 2.4%. So pretty much kind of even here. Nothing major, nothing crazy for it's a huge gainer. Everything is in that 2% or lower range. It's kind of what we want to see, but at the same time, it's not like a specific direction we got going right now. Come on. Okay, I need AUD USD to really come up here. Like, really? Because it's not like it's been a terrible week, but it could have been better already. That US 30 will trade it just made me back what I lost essentially. Like I said, I lost like 77 on the USD CHF. Saw what I made there, so we kind of just bouncing in between the zone of what I'm making and what I'm losing here. Okay, so as you can see here, we broke out of this node with this high volume area. So it'd be great if we can trap some sellers here and continue back up. If we break this area here, the buyers will be trapped if we break. No, not yet. I need to understand why this is not coming back up. I understand that I probably don't want to break this candle here, but we're still in the 30-minute. Yeah, that'd kind of be a break because we already had the previous retest. Okay, this is what I like to see. real focused on being patient right now. So ES is pretty strong. We got 16% up, 10% up, 10% up. And the lowest top decliner is at 9%, right? And then the lowest top decliner is at 1.8%, while the lowest top gainer is at 3%. So I wouldn't be taking any sales, and the VIX turned negative. I even didn't notice that. So I will say buys or gains are in control at this point. Yep. That was a nice trade for anybody that took that on the Russ. I'm really starting to like the Russ a lot more than all these indexes. I think with Nasdaq though, I don't want to be early because we got the lowest decliner is at 9%, and the top gainer is at 6%. So that's the reason I don't want to be hopping into buys on Nasdaq. But I understand that Nasdaq follow ES, and ES is pretty strong for right now. It is starting to creep up and catch up to these gainers, but we're still pretty strong because we got 17% up, 10% up, 10%. Yeah, it's starting to ease though. Just gonna wait. And I think we're starting to wait a little bit too long to continue this move and react off of this pivot point here. So I don't believe we're gonna get that anymore as well. But ain't nothing to it. Just to sit here and just wait. Have high conviction, believe. Just keep on looking at it, keep on understanding it. If anything changes, be prepared. And I like how we're breaking up past this. So yeah, NASDAQ should be doing the same thing as well. Yeah, I need to start trading this Russ a lot more, man. This need to be my major focus. That was it. I'm just gonna enter this because I have high FOMO right now. But it's the reason that I cut my real initial entry that I really want is a 1, right, or my lot size. But I cut that in half because I understand it can continue back up here, and I'm not willing to have a big risk right now on this. I can add into it, but I can't take out of it once it's going.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm $51 off from losing this account now. Great.
Order filled. Order filled.
I might lose that account for sure. It's too close.
Yo. What? What? Jay, JC Lingard just texted me, said, bro, please get security, my boy. My man.
Oh yeah, that's my guy.
That's actually funny as fuck.
I got Scorpio too, guys.
This is insane, man.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base.
Oh, turn this Tory off, man. I'm not moving this. I like how I bought when it was the perfect time to sell. SRT for the young boys. I'm so blown. Why didn't I buy this? This was the trade to take, brother. I can't even focus on that account right now. If I can get this to like 50, 200, 300, I'll be happy. Theoretically, that's what it should be, 200, 400. A little bit of change on it. Yeah, theoretically, that's what it should be. After this, if it doesn't play out, this will be my last trade of the day. Yeah, right now, honestly, I'm just staying alive just so I can document this at this point. He's just carrying around a gold bar. What? Next thing you're laying, I just went down this down, you know, by the way. That's your missing, but there's nothing much to say. It's not looking too good. It's not looking too good. Yeah, it's reversing. I'll catch y'all later, bro. This is terrible.